What do you think, ma'am? Why do you think why English is really very crucial in today's world?
So what do you think? So it's a grammar part is very crucial for the learning, starting the language, or we can just start from speaking. Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay, so how are you? How is life treating you?
Ma'am, I'm great and life is really going well. Thanks for asking. How are you?
Yes, I'm also doing great. I'm honky dory. Thank you for asking.
Good, good, good.
Okay, so as we are meeting for the very first time, would you like to introduction of yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sure. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Shamal. I connecting you from Mumbai. I'm a phonic teacher, mother to two handsome sons. I'm an enthusiastic Kathak learner. Nowadays, I have been my bonnet about learning English. So I'm into this language journey now, and I have immense love about it. So I'm trying to polish my English. And if you ask me about my education, I'm commerce graduate. I have done post graduation diploma in international business. I worked with an MNC for a few years. Then I took a break because of my personal responsibilities, and then I did ECCA and then certified. I'm a certified phonic teacher. So and now I am into this language learning. If you ask me about my hobbies, I love dancing. I love listen to music. I love reading and love cooking as well. Yes,
Wow.
this is pretty much about me, ma'am.
Multitask you are doing, and totally it's phenomenal for me actually. So okay, so shall I give my short introduction?
Yes, ma'am. Please, please.
Okay, so as you know, my name is Malati. I am basically belong to Nepal, but currently stay in Bangalore. I am full-time homemaker, and if I talk about my education, I have completed my graduation. And if I talk about my hobbies, yes, I like dance. I like to visiting in different place, and I like cook also. So yes, and nowadays I make my hobbies, which is I like to talk in different personality in English because I'm very enthusiastic for learning this language. And other things, yes, now I create a YouTube channel. So by the name of English with Malati, where I'm trying to, uploading English related conversations. So yes, pretty much about myself, man.
Yes.
Okay. So I think we have to talk about some couple of topics. Maybe you have any idea, so you can mention the topic. So we will discuss about the topics.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. What do you think, ma'am? Why do you think why English is really very crucial in today's world?
Okay, it's a very good, question, and it's very crucial also nowadays. Nowadays, it's a world. English is a very crucial and essential for nowadays. Okay, not only for only our society, our country. It's all over global. It's a global language first thing, right?
Yes.
So no matter for education, job, career, everywhere. If you go out of country,
Mhm.
it's become very crucial. So nowadays, that's why people are very crazy about learning this language compared to earlier. Okay, compare nowadays everyone wants to learn this language because it's very essential nowadays, right? So that is the way.
Yes. Yes.
I am also learn. I am also try to learning. Everyone nowadays, as far as I know, even housewife, even working ladies, even no matter. Okay, everyone wants to learn this language because they know they feel like that it's very crucial nowadays. So that's why I would say it, yes, it's a very
Yes.
essential for
Yes.
nowadays. If I'm housewife, for if my son is doing a study for his helping purpose also I have to learn. If I want to do something in future, for future purpose also I have to learn. I have to do something. So that is the way English is the first and very crucial part of nowadays, I would say.
Yes. 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 I couldn't agree you, ma'am. Really, it is really couldn't agree you more. It is really very crucial thing in nowadays world because everything is there in English right now. Yeah, in all fields, English is really very important. Yeah, now education is in English. Education is English. Even we, if we want to visit other countries, we have to that there should be a one language which we can speak with other people. And English is the global language, so it is one kind of bridge between people when we visit other countries. And yeah, it can be a ladder for your success also, because in
Yes.
everywhere people need this language. People need this language. People if you are good at English, you can communicate with anybody. You can present yourself easily. Okay, so
Yes.
real English is very very important. And even though we are the housewife, we need it because when we go to the anywhere like PTMs and places where we are where we meet strangers, there also we need it really very very important.
Yes. And do you face any kind of challenges regarding English? If you go anywhere and you are not initially time you are not properly taught. So do you face such kind of problem in your life?
Yes, I have faced it. Yes, yes, ma'am. Actually, I am, though I am a graduate from commerce. I have done my graduation in English medium, but in those days, people we were not into English speaking, because learning English is different and speaking are like both are poles apart. Okay. So that time I was not into speaking. But when I started to teach my children, that time when I attended their PTMs, that time I felt yes, we need it. And afterwards, when I started to teach them, I with by teaching them, I learned a lot and started speaking also.
Yes. Yes. Okay. So this is your memory, right?
I was telling you that really English is very important, because wherever we go nowadays we need this language. It's a global language. When if we connect with a person from the other country, so this is the very language we can speak with that person, and we remove that barrier
Yes.
in between people. So nowadays England, if you speak really well, that will definitely give you a boost for your career also.
Yes. So, okay, definitely whatever you are saying, it's up to the mark and it's 100%. I resonate with you. So, I would ask one thing. Nowadays, many people wants to learn this language, okay, but
Okay.
certain period later, after 1 month, 2 month, 3 months later, they thought it's not my cup of tea, and suddenly they give up. And one person of like that, and second place I observe and I see after certain of period later they failed. Okay, so they try to give up for again some couple of months. Again, they are starting. Why these things happen? Do you have any idea?
Yes, ma'am. This happened because this happens because this is not all our native language. First of all, that which is very important thing, and which is because of that we when we speak into our language, that time we feel very much confident. And learning this language, learning any language, not only English, any language is bit difficult, because initially if we are very much enthusiastic about it, but after some time, if you don't get partner, because if you want to speak any language, you need that kind of person who speak that language, or else ready to speak. So if that kind of environment you don't have, then you will definitely lack that thing, and you automatically you start to give up, because learning every day, then reading books, then memorizing things, it is not easy task. But
Yes,
yes, if you want to achieve your goal, then you have to practice it daily, then only you can accomplish your goal, because consistency is really very important. And consistency is not cup of everybody, not a cup of everybody.
yes, yes.
Yes.
Exactly,
Mm.
100%. I also agree with you because you know we are also learner. Sometimes we feel also monotonous because it's not first thing you already as you mentioned. It's not our language. It's a second language, right? And we have to learn so many things, not only particular vocabulary, grammar part, and other. So many. How much you will be learned, that much you will get. You know, so many hurdled. Okay, because of it's not our language, and slowly how much we can speak to other people, that much we will be. confident. And if we start to give up and skip 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, again we will go at the same position which earlier we were, right? So I
Yes,
would
yes,
say, if once you will start, yes, sometimes we feel monotonous also, and sometimes we feel bored also, sometimes we can't enjoy because of we have to give for particular timing. There it's asks the discipline, consistency, hard work, all the things, right? So
yes,
if we
ma'am. Yes,
can
very
give
true.
daily basis such kind of things, sooner or later we can get that achievement, right? But people are thinking what they first initially time they are thinking, I will be expert within 2 or 3 months or 4 months, right? But it's not like that, isn't it? But it will take
Mm.
depend of your timing, depend of your effort, right? Sometime it will take maybe 6 months, maybe 2 years, 3 years also,
Yeah,
right?
it depends on the person, depend on
Yes.
his hard work.
Hard
How the
work.
person
And
is
how
putting
much
his
you
hard
can
work
do.
and putting effort.
Yes, yes, exactly. How much you can do hard work, how much you can immerse in English, that much you will get
Mhm.
more fluency, isn't it? So that's why we can't do give up or skip like that. We have to go continue and continue. Then it can be possible, right?
Yes, yes, very true, ma'am. Very true. Because this is not one day activity, right? Rome wasn't built built overnight. It had taken many years. So if you want to build this language, if you want to be fluent, at least fluent, so you have to give all kind of efforts. You have to learn it. You have to read. You should listen to conversational videos or any kind of English material. You should immerse yourself into this language 100%. Then only you can learn it. And it is really not cup of everybody's tea, because immersing while speaking our language and simultaneously learning the different language, both are very hard things, right?
Yes, yes. Exactly, 100%. So, what do you think? So it's a grammar part is very crucial for the learning, starting the language, or we can just start from speaking. Where should we should start from where first? Grammar
Uh,
side, speaking side.
I would like to give you an example of a baby. Okay, when any baby born in any family, brother, might they speak Kannada language, Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati, any language they may speak. But with that time, we don't teach that child from A to Z or from A I. We don't teach that child, and nothing we teach them. But that child grasp, okay, from surrounding. First that the child start with single letter sounds, then he go for the two letter sounds, then words, then sentences. So there we can't teach that child grammar first. That child imitate us, right? That child imitates us. So it goes with the English also. First of all, don't go into the nitty-gritty of grammar and all those things. Start to speak first. You
Yes,
speak it first. When you Because speaking will come by speaking only. You will
yes,
make the mistake, you correct that mistake, and you will learn it definitely. But yes, grammar is important, because a basic structure, sentence structure should be proper. Okay, but
yes,
if you speak, you start, then only you learn it.
yes,
For that matter, you should have to start first, and eventually, definitely, you will learn it. Then get into the grammar, do the basic things, the tenses part, noun, then you go for the proper sentence structure. That things will definitely help you to get fluency. And after that, that vocabulary comes. If you build your vocabulary, then you don't need that means advanced grammar. So with that vocabulary, good amount of vocabulary and basic grammar, you can speak really well. That is my perspective.
yeah, yeah,
What do you
it's no
think?
doubt. The thing is the how to start learning this language. Yes, definitely it's broken as well, broken also. At least we have to start. I also feel like that when I start my learning time. That time, yes, I was little aware about this grammar, but not that much. But I just start from speaking. Yes, that time I used to do so much mistakes. Okay, but I didn't
Okay.
consider about like that. But slowly and gradually, if you reach one of certain of play period or a few time later, you can realize. Nowadays, even while I'm talking, I made mistake, but later if I repeatedly if I see my, that video, I can rectify my mistake, how much I'm doing mistakes here. Okay. So
Yes.
that one potential one of the time we will reach. So at least we have to start from speaking, and simultaneously we can start, grammar and as well as vocabulary. Why it's very crucial? Because if you knows so many amount of vocabulary, it will very easy to articulate the sentence, and you will not stuck to anywhere, you will not struggling to making sentence. Also it's helpful for the making sentence, right? So that is why
Okay.
it's
Yes.
also very crucial part. Yes,
Very
exactly.
true, ma'am. Very true. But as you said, even I also I am agree with you. Initially, we need speaking, and eventually, definitely, if we go with this all learning part, then we'll definitely master this language. No doubt about it.
Yes,
Yes.
exactly.
Hmm.
Okay,
So,
you have any question for me?
I have one question, ma'am. Now this is the language part, but do you have itchy feet? Do you like to travel?
Yes, I am a traveling person, you can say. I'm very enthusiastic for travel.
Okay, so how many places you have visited? Means
but
what kind of places?
but unfortunately I couldn't visit so many places. But yeah, some couple of place I have, almost my Nepal's, I'm from Nepal, so I have visited almost, which is very famous place. Okay, so already I had visit. And now in India, yeah, I have visited in Delhi, Agra, which is Taj Mahal, and Vrindavan, Mathura, all the place which is very famous of there. And
Okay.
then Delhi side, it's a Noida, Greater Noida. Also, I have been there, and now I'm in Bangalore. And yeah, here also some couple of place which is very famous and captivating and mesmerizing place I have already visited.
Wow,
But
wow, wow.
so many places in my bucket list. Definitely, we are making plan to go visiting because I love to visit.
Good, good, good. It's good to hear you. Even I also have itchy feet, but my husband works abroad, so we three are here only. So sometimes it is not manageable for me. So when he visits here in India, so definitely we like to go wherever we want. So most of them now till now we have visited Nainital, Delhi, then many places in Maharashtra, and recently I visited US where my
Wow.
husband works. Then Latin American countries are there. I visited there also. So now even I also have my bucket list. There are many places I have not yet visited. I would like to
Okay.
visit those places also. And because
Okay.
traveling definitely refreshes us, right? It gives really positive experiences. We explore those things, and by exploring, we get many good experiences, right?
Yes. Yes, and it's sometimes we should visit in a different place also, because we can get different idea, different culture, different knowledge also. Because every
Okay.
state and every countries and states also, so many things is very different we will get, right? So that
Hmm.
is why, and main thing for our freshness purpose. Every time we are doing household chores, sometime out work, sometime inside work, so many responsibility in our plate. But at least few days also, if we can visit in different place, our mind will be totally fresh, right? So then again we can start after coming, after return from that place, we place, and it will be a memory for a long time, isn't it? So that's why we should visit at least.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, because we need that rest, right? We need that refreshment, and after that refreshment means if we are very busy into our work and we plan to somewhere, any place, and we when we visit that place and when we back to the home, that time I mean it means when we are in the that traveling or we are on in that place, we forget everything. Really?
Yeah, exactly.
Isn't it? We
Right.
forget everything, even though we are very busy, we are always in rush. But when we visit that place, we by just by going out, we present there for we give our 100% there. We forget
Yes.
everything, and when we back home, we come with new personality, with new vibes, with new views, right?
Yes.
And for the and that we that is like we charge our battery and come with full of vibes to
Yeah,
face
yeah.
new challenges and all those things.
And after coming from that place for so many days, we feel very fresh also, because that
Yes, yes,
places, that all the things, it's roaming in my roams in our mind also, right? So it's a different kind of, so it's a very important for every person to visiting, because every time work state nowadays, it's state life, I can say. Okay, no matter you are only housewife or professional life, it's a very state's life. Okay, so many responsibility in our plate, so many things, so we have to do. So if we go sometime for few couple of days also, no, so definitely we will be recharged again. So it's very good for us actually.
yes, yes, yes. Very true, ma'am. Very true.
So do you have any places which is you are thinking, okay, you are making plan in future in bucket list, so this place I want to go, like that, that kind of places you have in your mind?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Right now, I have Uttarakhand in my mind because our group, many people are from there, right? Uttarakhand. And recently, I watched one movie, and in that movie, Kumau place was there. They were in the Kumau place. So I like that place very much. And since long time, I would say since 2 years, it is in my bucket list. Uttarakhand is in my bucket list. So I would
Yes.
definitely like to visit that place, explore
That
that
is, that
place.
means it's totally mountain and greenery place, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Definitely.
I mostly like to visit the mountainous places.
Oh, yeah,
Yes,
I also very feel, mesmerizing. If I will go there, I feel very happy and different kind of vibes, because
yes,
every
yes,
time we are surviving, it's a crowd place, right?
yes,
So that's why if we go there, we feel very peaceful mind. So it's very
yes.
good.
Even I would like to tell you that I am from Konkan, Maharashtra. So we have many beaches. We are very close
Okay.
to Goa. But we
Yeah.
don't like to go Goa because Goa is commercial place completely. It always crowded. But from our in our side, we visit the always the remote beaches we like to visit, which are like no, unexplored. So that kind of places even I also like where less crowd is there. That place gives us good vibes.
Yes. So have you ever, in your life, have you ever went somewhere with your friend apart from your family? Like with family, mostly we are going nowadays. Earlier, do you have any memory to go somewhere like that?
Yes, actually, I'm from the very middle class family. So that time it was not allowed in our house to go with friends outing and all those things. But we visited one waterfall here in Navi Mumbai only. So it was really mesmerizing. I right now also I can recall those memories
Yes.
of that place, and we visited it in rainy season. So it was really very beautiful. Big waterfall was there, but after some time it is closed for visitors because it's really a dangerous place also.
Oh, yes,
So
yes. Because
yes,
now look at, because now our like a friend where they are living, and very rarely we can talk. Okay, they are talking very
yes,
rarely, once in a blue moon only, right? So
yes,
this type of memory is we can keep in the entire life, because nowadays we are in very responsible with family. So many things are going on. Yes, but we can go with them. But friend is a different things, right?
yes,
So
friend is a
yes,
different thing,
and the
definitely.
childhood friend, like schooling and colleges friend, are very different. So nowadays, just we can remember, and those timings, those things, no responsibility, nothing, just chill, right? So this is a very, very different kind of feel. I also feel whenever I miss my friend. But yes, sometime we can touch, we are talking, but it's not like that earlier. Its feeling is very different now, right?
Yes, 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 very true, very true. We were roaming with them, it was, as you said, very carelessly, no responsibility, nothing we had that time. So, we, even though Miss we did, that time we didn't visited many places or the famous places, but still any small places, or very unknown places also, that were also okay with them because the
Yes.
our company was important. Our friends' company was very important for us, and that was captivating for us.
Yes,
Then because
and
of that, we could, yes,
yes, and non-stop laughing without reason also. Okay.
without reason, on the silly topics also we could laugh.
Yes, silly, silly topics. We used to laugh and no tension, nothing, just for chill out and going even near the home place. Also, if we step out from home, then also we feel very happy and sharing all the things. It's a very different
Yes,
kind of vibes. And oh my God, I when I feel now, I feel very like it's called nostalgia, something like that. So
nostalgic.
I feel,
Yes, yes.
yeah.
You made me remember those days. Thank you very much.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay. So, okay, so if you have any topics, you can ask me. Otherwise, I will ask
Um,
one and then we will wrap up the session.
okay, okay, ma'am. Ma'am, you are from Nepal, so can you tell me about your festivals? How you celebrate festivals?
Okay, so Nepalese festival means most of the like Indian or Nepali festival like similar like that. Okay, there is a no
Okay.
very huge different, which is Dasai means here Durga Puja. Okay, this is a very big festival and Deepavali. Here also called Deepavali, right? So
Okay.
Diwali here, yeah,
Diwali,
Diwali and
Deepavali, both.
yes, yeah, Diwali and Diwali is the most beautiful and famous and big festival, and as well as our festival is a peace festival, which is only related for ladies. Okay, who are
Okay.
married ladies. And they will go parental house and they will enjoy their dancing, singing, and exchanging thought with a family member, daughter, like a sister, sisterhood. So gathering friend and become very beautiful and dancing, going somewhere like that. This festival I like mostly, but yes, Diwali and Durga Puja. This also very famous festival. But those festival is similar to here, but the Teej festival is a little famous and little different, which is regarding for only ladies. So I like,
Okay.
and it's a very captivating. I can say, because nowadays I am far from family. So whenever festival will come, I feel I missed a lot. So yes,
Okay.
otherwise I like yeah.
Yes. So
Yes.
you celebrate here also, like that only, in that
Yes, yes,
manner, same manner. Okay.
I can, but how much you can try, but that much vibe it will not come now, right? Because
Yes.
that time it was totally different, and everyone gathering and everyone celebrating very nicely. But here is even in Karnataka, in Bangalore, if I was living in Delhi also, there where everyone were celebrating here also, but little different here Bangalore. Bangalore people a little bit culture I found different, but even though it's okay, I'm celebrating with my family member also.
Okay.
So, ma'am, it's very nice talking with you. I totally in on cloud nine, and I'm totally elated because we made plan today. Finally, it's successful, even though network is not supporting us. But it's very nice conversation with you. Thank you so much for joining with me.
Thank you, ma'am. Feelings are mutual. Even you also invited me, and thank you very much for giving me chance to share screen with you. And really, even I am also I'm feeling delighted by talking with you. Definitely, ma'am, and we will definitely join again. Right?
Yes, sure. Next time again we have to join. Okay.
Yes, 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 ma'am.
Okay. So
Okay.
bye.
Bye. Take care, ma'am. Thank you very much.